Hello! Today I'm gonna paint anime character. I'm sure you already know who she is, right? It's Nezuko, one of the main character from Demon Slayer. I'm gonna paint her from scratch. Let's begin. I already paint the nails with skin tone color. Let's start with drawing the eyes. Nezuko has a pale pink eyes color, with lighter pink purplish pupil color. I'm trying to paint symmetrical eyes, and it's hard. Draw the pupil color. Blend the color. Let's add a bit more white color to match the shape of Nezuko eyes. Draw a thin line around the pink eyes. Draw the eyeliner. Draw the lower lash. Draw the nose line. Draw the face outline. Draw the eyelid line. Draw the eyebrow. Draw the hair outline. Draw the ear. Fill the hair color. The bamboo. I just realized that the nose position is too low. So let's just draw the bamboo over it and draw the nose again later. Another layer of hair. Draw the hair tie. Draw the kimono. Draw the bamboo tie. Draw the nose again. Draw the line. Draw the kimono pattern. A bit fixing to the hair. Add highlight and shadow to the bamboo to give a 3D bamboo effect. Add sparkling eye effect. Draw the bamboo outline. Add soft shadow. Highlight the face. Thicken the eyeliner. Add fine line to the hair tie. Apply top coat.